Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm going to show you this beautiful pattern. With this pattern I'm making a cushion cover. If you want that I make a video for you with the cushion measurement and how I'm making a cushion cover, then please comment me. And in this video I'll also mention a printed pattern of this design. So watch this video till last and let's start this pattern. I'm using this white wool. In India we call it 2-ply wool, and with this wool I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook. So let's start. We will start with a slip knot, or you can start it like this also. I always start like this. Okay, start, make foundation chains like this, and I am making 36 chains for 2 patterns. I have completed my 36 chains. Now 1 extra chain for starting like always. Now skip 1 chain into the second chain. We will make 1 double crochet, second double crochet in the next chain. Now chain 1, skip 1 chain and make 1 double crochet. Now make 5 double crochet more. Three, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, which I'm making my cushion cover. I made in the starting a little border. This is optional. If you want to know that how I made it, then you can watch my filet crochet video on YouTube. For this border you will find this border. Now chain 1, skip 1 chain and make 6 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet the next chain. 1 chain, skip 1, 6 double crochet, now chain 1, skip 1, again 6 double crochet. And now chain 1, skip 1 and 2 double crochet. Like our starting. Chain 1, turn over. This is our side border, so it will go its same. 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip this chain and 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, and in this space make single crochet. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, and skip 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet and 3 more. Now chain 1, skip 1 chain, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip this chain and 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Now chain 3, 1 2 3. From this space make 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 double crochet, and into the third we'll make 1 double crochet, second we'll make 4 total, 3 and 4. Make chain 1 chain, skip 1 and 2 double crochet for the side border. Chain 1, turn over, 2 double crochet, chain 1. Now we will make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 3, 1 2 3. Now in this space 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, will join with single crochet in this space like this. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 2 double crochet and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, single crochet in the space, chain 3, single crochet next space. Now chain 3, skip 2, make 2 double crochet, 2. Now chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, turn over, 2 double crochet for the side border, chain 1, skip, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, second double crochet. Now we will make 2 double crochet in the space, 1 and 2. They became 4 now in third round. Now make 3 chains and in this center space 1 single crochet, and now chain 3, make 2 double crochet in the next space, 1 and 2. 2 double crochet more, chain 1, skip chain and 2 double crochet, again chain 1, skip 1 chain, make 4 double crochet, 2 here and 2 in this space, chain 3 in this space, single crochet, chain 3, we'll make 2 double crochet in the next space, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, like this. We'll seam 1 chain, 2 double crochet, chain 1, turn over. This is our 5th row, 2 double crochet for side border, chain 1, skip this chain, make 6 double crochet now, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 in this space. Now they become 6 double crochet like our first row. Now chain 1 and 2 double crochet in this space and 4 here. They will also become 6. These are 6 now. Chain 1, skip this chain, 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip this chain, make 6 double crochet again, four and 2 in this space. Now chain and 4 more, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1, skip this chain and 2 double crochet for our side border. Chain 1. Now it has been completed. And this is printed pattern which I have made for you. This will be easy to make for you. Now you can understand very easily this pattern, and you can do this like this also. I made this pattern and after it I made 1 double crochet basic line, and again I started this pattern again and again. You can do also this. I hope you like this video, you like this pattern. So please don't forget like this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you. Keep watching.